One of the most common questions I'm asked is, when is the best time to sell? The answer may surprise you. Find out on today's episode of Ask Carl Quick Hit. So when is the best time to sell? Is it the spring market? Is it the summer market so families can move? Is it the fall market before winter? Or is it winter? The answer is, the best time to sell is when you're ready. Timing the market is impossible. The real estate market's in a constant state of evolution, with buyers coming and going and houses coming and going, so it really doesn't matter. All that matters is when you're ready to go. Are you serious, Carl? Is the winter a good time to sell? Well, think of it this way. If you've got somebody who's coming to look at your house with a foot of snow on the ground, they're looking for shelter, not just to go out looking for houses for fun. Combine that with the lack of inventory because there's less competition, and you've got a great time to sell. So there are pros and cons to each season, and that's why it boils down to listing when you're ready. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Ask Carl. Woohoo! Find out on this episode of Ask Carl Quick Hit. Find out on this episode of Ask Carl Quick Hit. Carl. Woohoo! I don't know if that was a good idea. Jeez. Cold.